What's going on, internet? Welcome back to another Crown Racing Co. video. Today we got a good video for you because we got dyno numbers. We know how much power this thing finally makes. This was my first car when I was 16. I've had multiple different engines in it, and this is finally the first time I've put it on the dyno. So in this video, we're gonna go through all the mods I have to my engine and what drivetrain setup I'm running, so that way you guys know exactly what parts you need to buy so you can make the same power I did. So with that said, let's get into the video. So we got the dyno graphs here, and as you guys will see pretty soon, the Mustang ended up making peak 350 horsepower and peak 370 torque. Peak torque at 4,200 RPM and peak horsepower at 5,700 RPM. Now let's just start with the bottom end. It is a stock stroke 351 and it is bored 40 thousandths over, so it's basically stock stroke, stock bore. It's a 1994 351 block that would have came in an F250, which means it's a roller engine. And then I do have a stock crankshaft. I have scat forged aluminum or forged rods, and then I have Wiseco Pro Street forged aluminum pistons. To follow that up, I have AFR 185cc cylinder heads, and it is a Edelbrock dual plane RPM air gap intake, followed up with a Holley Super Sniper 650 for the EFI. With the cylinder heads and the full combination, my compression is 9.2 to 1 compression. So we will move into valve train now. So it has a Comp Cams custom grind camshaft. So that is what we have for camshaft specs. I'm using Scorpion roller rockers that are a 1.6 rocker ratio. And then for transmission, it is a manual transmission 5-speed. It's a TKO 600 with a McLeod clutch that's rated for 600 foot-pounds of torque. And then I have the stock Ford Mustang GT 8.8 rear axle with the differential. Since I drift it, I just shim it very tight, so it's basically almost locked all the time. And my gear ratio is a 355 to 1. So that's the overall setup that I'm running on the car, and that's the power numbers you can expect. that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. I'm interested in the comments. Guys, let me know what mods you have and what power numbers you guys made. But at least now you know the mods I used and what kind of power you can expect with your Mustang. Thank you guys for everything. I really appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.